y'all, it's ggMattB here at DeviantArt HQ. Today I've got two ways for you to share images and journals that you might not know about. These are relatively new features, so I'm going to share them with you so that you can use them. If you're like me, you like sharing art. Like, I love sharing fan art in journals. It's a great way to do it. But sometimes the art takes up too much space. I get it, art's beautiful, but sometimes I just want a little bit more control over what's on the page. Like on DeviantArt.com/team. Right now I'm going to share a journal of fan art around Arcane, show on Netflix around League of Legends. So if I want to add some art here, let's say a single image, go into my collection that I've made, select this piece, it takes up the entire width, which is great. But sometimes I just want to be able to share it in a little bit different of a way. Now with single images, I can go in and I can actually shrink using these little anchors on the corners. Not too shabby. But Matt, you say, I share all the images. So do I. Let's go through with multiple deviations. Going into that same collection, and I'm gonna just go through, select a bunch of these pieces. Fun insider fact, Jinx was the first character I made in League of Legends.
Jinx?
Now, it takes up a lot of space. I actually have to scroll quite a bit to see all of them. And normally in the past, I would have just clicked masonry. Makes it a little bit better. But now there's an even better option, and that's clicking settings. If I do that, it opens up these options where I can actually adjust the row height. So like, check this out. I can go in and I can actually shift it down to like 2 rows, nice and clean. Or if I want to get crazy, single row. Look at that. Lots of options. You can also put it in, and maybe I want to add a little bit of spacing, let the art breathe a bit. Anyway, this makes it so much easier to share art in a journal. So hope it's helpful for you. If it is, let me know in the comments below. Or if there's something else on DeviantArt you want the inside knowledge on, let me know in those comments too. I want to be able to share these with you. So hope you have a great day, and see you around.